In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a signature in Gmail. By the end, you'll have a professional-looking email signature automatically added to every message you send, so you don't need to type your details over and over again. First, open Gmail in your web browser and sign into your account if you aren't already. Make sure you're using the desktop version because the full signature settings are easiest to access there. Once your inbox is open and you can see your emails, you're ready to move on. Next, look toward the top right corner of the Gmail window. You'll see a small gear icon, which is the settings button. Click on that gear icon. A quick settings panel will slide open on the right side of the screen. In that panel, you'll see a button that says See All Settings. So go ahead and click that so you can access the full settings page. Now you should be on the main settings screen, and by default, you'll be on the General tab. If for some reason you're not, click on the word General along the top to make sure you're in the right place. The General tab is where Gmail keeps most of the everyday options, including the signature settings. From here, scroll down the page slowly until you find the section labeled Signature. This section controls what text is automatically added at the bottom of your emails. If you haven't created a signature before, you'll see an option to create a new one. Click on the button to create a new signature, then type a name for it. The name is just for you to help you recognize the signature in case you create more than one later. After you name the signature, you'll see a large text box where you can create your signature. Click inside that box and type whatever you want to appear at the end of your emails. A simple, clean format works best. For example, you might include your full name on the first line, your job title or role on the second line, and then maybe a website or other contact detail underneath. Keep things professional and avoid adding private or sensitive information you wouldn't want widely shared. Above the box, you'll notice formatting tools that work a lot like a basic word processor. You can change the font style or size, make text bold or italic, add color, or insert links. For example, you can highlight your website address and click the link icon to turn it into a clickable link. If you want your signature to look more polished, use formatting sparingly so it stays easy to read. On the right side of the signature section, you'll see options to choose when this signature is used. You can select it for new emails, for replies and forwards, or both. Pick the options that match how you want your emails to look. If you ever need different signatures for different purposes, you can come back here and add more. Once you're happy with your signature, scroll all the way to the bottom of the settings page. This part is important. Click the Save Changes button. If you skip this, everything you just set up will be lost and your signature won't appear. After Gmail reloads, click Compose to start a new email. At the bottom of the message window, you should see your new signature automatically inserted. If it looks good, you're all set. You've successfully added a signature in Gmail.